Hello and welcome back to Gist Babe TV. An unfortunate incident was caught on camera in Oko Oba, Agege, Lagos, as a commercial bike rider was swept away by the flood after he refused to let go of his bike and save himself. Well, we all know that flood has been ongoing in some parts of Nigeria lately due to the heavy rainfall, and some videos have actually captured the moment of this flood being shared online, affecting businesses and homes of some people. Well, in this particular video, a bike rider, commonly called in Nigeria as Okada Man, has been spotted during the flood in the Oko Oba Agege side of Lagos, where the current of the water actually carried him and his bike away, sweeping them away to another area of Lagos. Well, in this video, the man was actually seen carrying two passengers with him on his back as he was riding through the flood, and while one of them fell out, he continued driving. But unfortunately, he was unable to control his bike due to the flood current. See video.